Hey everyone, it's me, Jonas. We recently got a large whiteboard and we've decided to use a small portion of the whiteboard to learn German on, for my wife anyway. I pick a random word and then we just say it for the week, just because it's fun to say random German words. I'm often looking for phonetically interesting words. I'm not looking to teach her the whole language. And I thought it could be fun for people who watch these videos to learn along with us. We've had 3 words already. I'll just catch you up on the 3 words in this video, and then I'll try and release 1 video a week so people can follow along. So the 3 words we've had are Tragetasche, Durchzug and Schadenfreude. Tragetasche, it's just a carry bag, like a shopping bag. Durchzug means a draft, something that drafts through. Durchzug. And Schadenfreude is laughing about someone else's misery. For example, we got kicked out of the gym the other night because they were closing, and as we were about to drive away, some people arrived and we just sat there to watch them get rejected at the door and had a little chuckle. That is Schadenfreude. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Like this video if you know how to say this word now. And subscribe if you want to be part of the next one. Thank you. See ya.